Hi, I'm Bob Fernikes. I'm a publisher, and I'd like to introduce you to Harry Kumar. He's the operations person for Pointel. We're here at Speech Tech 2013. Harry, can you tell me a little bit about Pointel and just kind of give me a little bit of background on the company?
Sure, thanks Bob. So Pointel is an end-to-end contact center, call center solution provider. We have implemented over 200 plus contact centers over the last 14 plus years, and we primarily specialize in implementing Genesys.
Can you give me an idea of how Pointel benefits customers who are using Genesys?
Sure, absolutely. So, if you are running a call center or responsible for a call center, you're primarily looking at two things. One is customer satisfaction or customer experience. The other is optimizing your contact center to be able to perform optimally. So either, we can certainly help in both aspects, either making sure that your customer has the best experience no matter which channel that they use, either it's voice, email, or chat, or if you're looking to reduce your total cost of ownership from a contact center standpoint. As you know, contact center human resource cost is 80% of a contact center. We'll be happy to help you on optimizing that. So it's always a balance when you're running a call center between customer experience and then managing cost for contact centers.
Right, but I do notice that you put customer experience ahead of cost savings, so that's very important and very telling.
Absolutely. In the competitive marketplace today, customer experience is key, and customers will be willing to pay a premium to get that experience. So most of our customers are looking for a way to differentiate themselves by customer experience.
Great. Now, how would Pointel position itself against some competitors? Like, why would somebody choose Pointel? What would be the benefit for them?
Sure. So, as I said, Pointel has been a service provider for now 14 plus years, and we have done over 200 plus implementations. When you engage Pointel for a contact center, we primarily bring three things to the table. Because we are a service provider, most of our resources are highly skilled and trained, and because we specialize in Genesys, most of our resources are certified on Genesys as well. So that's main thing. But they're not only trained and certified. Most of our engineers have an average of 9 to 10 years of experience doing this work. So they work as an advisor along with you when they are implementing the contact center solution, so that they do it the right way and coach you along the way when we are going through an implementation, which is very critical, because you want a guide, you want an advisor who's working with you when you're going through this, because every implementation, depending on how big your undertaking is, could be a journey, and you want somebody who you can trust and go along with it. And then lastly, most important as a company, what we bring to the table is best practices and industry standards. Because we've done this over and over and over again, we have come up with methodologies and practices that make sure that you do it the first time and not really go through the same pitfalls that other customers have gone through.
That's great. So you get to learn from other past customers and past implementations?
That's primarily one of the main reasons our customers engage is, because when you buy a product like Genesys, when you try to revamp your contact center, it's one-off an implementation for you, which probably once in 3 years or once 5 years you do. But we do that on a daily basis. So we do that for every customer. So we do this in a lot more frequency, and we can bring that to the table and help you to make sure that you're doing your implementation in the right way.
Great. Any tools and utilities that are of particular interest?
Absolutely. So over the last 14 years, we have developed a half a dozen tools that helps with your implementation and managing your call center. One that is noteworthy to mention, what we call is Dynamic Contact Center Manager, or DCCM. In brief, what this tool does is it provides two main capabilities. It provides you ability for call center managers and supervisors who are not Genesys savvy to be able to take control of their call center. It could be either changing their skills or changing the day of the time, routing. So if you're a manager in a call center, and if you're responsible for managing your customers and agents, and if you have to call a technical person, either an IT admin or a PBX admin, to really change skills, that translates into a lot of time wasted, and by the time the situation that required the skill change may not even be there. So our customers love this tool because it empowers supervisors and managers to be able to take control of their own destiny. And the other main tool that this does is also it helps you to audit every change that happens in Genesis. As you can know, Genesis is all about configuration, and in the wrong hands, a powerful tool without auditing capabilities could be disastrous. So this tool provides auditing at the most granular level. You not only can see who changed, you can see what they changed it from and why they changed it. So it provides four details. It provides a date and time. It provides what the previous value is, what the current value is, and it also provides the ability to be able to notate why somebody changed it.
All right, Hari, is there any last information you'd like to get across?
Sure, absolutely. So we have done over 200 plus implementations, and we have done this over the last 15 years. So if you're responsible for running a call center or you're looking for ways to improve it, we can certainly help. Either it's customer experience or lowering your total cost of ownership. We'll be happy to work with you and make sure that you achieve your goals.
Great. Listen, nice talking to you. Hope you have a really successful time here at SpeechTech 2013.
Thank you very much, Bob. Thanks for having me.